Okay, students, so as we have developed our journal entry number 1, now's the time where we should be wrapping it up and we're going to go back and make sure we included all of the elements. So remember the checklist that we included. You're going to go back to that checklist that you have and go through each of these and drag over the X, or if you're doing it on paper, you're going to put an X. You have to have a really close eye and really read through your journal entry and make sure you included each of these components. In addition, you're also going to, on this page, share with us an example of each of the elements that you included in the story. So, for example, in personal narrative writing, you want to have story events that follow a similar sequence to the original story. You want to have character traits that represent Molly Whoopi, and you want to have character dialogue, something how Molly Whoopi would sound in the story, and you want to have character thoughts and feelings. So you want to be able to have each of these components in your story. If you're going through and you can't find an example of any of these, then you need to include it in your story. Find a good spot to include the one that you're missing. So, for example, if you realize you didn't share very many of Molly Whoopi's thoughts or feelings during the escape from Giant's house, then go back into your journal entry and look for a spot where you could include her thoughts and feelings. Okay? Go ahead and do this, and then we'll be ready to edit our paper.